the Japanese art of preserving wood with fire. After burning, you can wire brush it back, dye it, and you get some astonishingly beautiful finishes. You up for that, buddy? So for this project, we're going to need 3 things: wood, dyes, and my favourite thing, fire. For the wood, I'm going to use some offcuts from the log store project, and I'm going to glue it together and sand it square. Now the sanding's done, we need to burn the wood. Now I'm no expert, but from what I understand it needs to be done quite heavy. So this weed burner will be ideal for the job. Now we need to brush it back. I've got these nylon brush drill attachments which have been impregnated with abrasive, and what this will do, it will get rid of the softwood, leaving the lovely charred hardwood grain behind. It'll be fine. It's beautiful in its own right, but what we're going to try and do is accentuate some of this grain with some wood dye. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for a sunburst effect. So have a base of yellow, feathering it out through orange and red towards the edge. There are 2 ways of dyeing these. The first will give you a more subtle look. This is done by giving the wood a coat of yellow over the full surface. This is followed by an orange. You want to do the outer third over the yellow. And finally, you want to go around the edge with a red. The second way will give you a more defined look and is my preferred way of doing it. In this method you start around the edge with a red, do the outer third in orange but only overlapping the red by a little bit. And finally finish off with a yellow, overlapping the orange by a little bit and only on the final pass, so not to mix too much orange in with the yellow. What a great project, relatively easy to do and a really cheap way to get a beautiful unique look. Now I did have to brush it back a bit the first time I did it as the colours weren't quite as vibrant as I would have liked, but I'm definitely on the lookout for things to buy that I can apply this effect on. As always, thanks for watching, and if you think I've earned it, I would love a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.